Bruce here. We're just going to talk about head gasket placement today and how some head gaskets on some engines can go two ways. The system is with most engines, water comes in from the bottom hose out the radiator, comes up through here into the block. The majority of the water on a lot of engines goes along through the block. The biggest water holes are generally at the back, then the water goes through the back and along through the cylinder head, out through the front spout on the top hose. But this motor is not really like that, because we have a good look here. We'll see we've only got that hole at the back. It is slightly bigger than all the other water holes. So when the head gasket goes on there like that, we can see that does match up with the waterway at the back. If we did go the other way, well, these holes here are still smaller than what that is. So, in my way of thinking, it's going to have to go that way. And you could easily get caught on a lot of the V8s, Fords, Chevs, Holdens. And at one stage back in the late 70s, people were putting one head gasket on wrong on a V8. Certain lot of gaskets they bought out, one side had to have the colour up and the other side had to have the colour down. Everybody got caught because they just look at the colour and just say, oh, they've got to be that way. But that meant that on a V8, one side was open at the back and the other side was open at the front. As a result, one side of the motor ran really hot. When they turned the motor off, you'd hear this like boiling in the block. Yet the temperature gauge wouldn't show that the engine was really overheating. It wouldn't really boil. And so, especially on V8s, always look at the back here and always make sure on any of those older iron Chev motors and iron Ford motors that the holes are open at the back on both sides. Thanks for watching.